Brad Bisnet here with Cole Publishing, and I am chatting with Dave from General Pipe Cleaners. Dave, how are you today?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Awesome. And now we're standing here with the JM-1000.
Right.
Dave, it looks like it's got a lot to offer in a very compact package. What would be the most common use case of the JM-1000?
Kitchen sinks.
Okay.
You know, basically whether you're a multifamily or a homeowner or whatever, we're finding that 50 to 75% of the grease that's coming up today's world is within about 10-15 feet of a kitchen sink down the drain.
Sure.
So with this thing, it makes it very portable. You can just pick it up, you can put it underneath the sink, take the trap off, hook up a water supply. You could be done before you have a chance to get one of our larger jetters even in position.
Sure.
So we say that small is the next big thing when it comes to jetters, because there's so much grease in small drains. Now the reason why it's so important to use a jetter for this application, you can go through with a snake style machine. You can poke a hole in it and it'll clear for a while, but then in a day or two, it's gonna reheal.
Sure.
And that's how they describe it.
It's just a Band-Aid, basically.
Exactly.
Okay.
If you come through with a mini camera after going through with a jetter, it looks like a new pipe.
Sure.
Honestly.
Sure.
So it completely is the right tool for the job when it comes to grease, and there's so much grease causing problems out there.
Absolutely.
So all of our jetters are good at grease. Not, you know, for small applications, again, 1 1/4 to 3 inch, the JM-1000, we say small is the next big thing.
And I know you've got plenty of options with your jetter packages, but this one looks like you're set up to run this. Can you show me how it works?
Sure, absolutely, yeah. So you notice how that scours the inside of the pipe.
Yeah,
it's like taking a
absolutely.
pressure washer in there and scouring it out. And that's why it does such a great job.
This is excellent, Dave. I appreciate the time. Tell me, where can someone go to get more information?
Well, you can call 1-800-245-6200 and ask for the Drain Brains, or go to our website, drainbrain.com. There's all kinds of information and videos on this product. So,
Fantastic. Thanks, Dave.
you betcha.